blue can and
Red.
put it like that. I know. I put it like that. And red.
Doesn't matter.
It's near the white spider for some reason.
Ready?
Okay.
No.
Oh no. You spilled the milk. What the heck, Iris? You had one job.
You want to try a little spilled milk?
Okay. Hi guys, it's Lily here, and
Iris.
today we are gonna be.
That's Taki.
Iris, how could you mess this up? Rewind. Hi guys, it's Lily here, and
Iris.
today we are gonna be trying blue Takis and
Red Takis.
Ooh,
I'm drinking this.
Taki.
we're gonna try not to drink the milk.
Like that.
We're gonna try not to drink the milk.
Air is already too spicy for Iris.
No.
So I think, have you guys tried Takis before?
Yep.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Oh. Look at these Takis.
So I think you girls should try first the regular one, and then afterwards the blue one.
We're gonna mix them both together.
Yeah, good place for that reason.
The blue
Put
Takis.
the blue and the yellow plate. That way it stands out more.
Too late.
No, it's not too late. It's really. You just swap it to the other plate.
Bruh, it just blends in.
Yeah, exactly.
Now the blue powder's on my hand.
Alright. That's enough.
That's enough.
Alright.
Smells like regular chips though.
Can I smell it?
Doritos.
No. You can smell that
What
one.
is the regular flavor?
Yeah, this smells like
It's the red one.
Doritos.
Go on.
Here go. The red one.
So on the bottom left, it should have a flavor.
Hot chili pepper and lime.
Hot chili pepper and lime.
I know there's way more blue. I don't know why.
So we're gonna try the red one first.
Blue heat. That's what it's called. Wait. Oh, it's spicy. I didn't try it yet. Don't try it yet. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Tastes like lime.
Yeah, I can taste the lime.
Can I drink
Sour.
the milk?
So, girls, is the lime, spicy lime, spicy? Is it hot?
You could obviously see me Alice drinking the milk.
I find it's more lime than hot.
Have the blue one.
Not yet, not yet.
I'm just gonna grab it.
So, what do you think of the red one?
It's good.
Is it spicy?
Yeah.
You just don't have to think about it.
So, if you have
It
to think
is,
about it, then it's can't
More
be that
spicier.
spicy.
It's more spicy if you think about it. But it is still spicy.
On 1 to 5, how spicy would it be?
3.
3 out of 5?
I think
Alright.
it's gonna be a 12.
2 out of 5?
2? And you drank more milk than me. And I had 2.
She likes milk.
How many did you have?
Milk.
I had 2. She went to the 2 out of 5 spiciness.
So
Wow.
I rate it a 1 out of 5 for the spiciness level.
1?
Not that spicy at all. I feel I taste more the lime than I taste anything else. So really not that spicy. And I've never had Takis before. I think I had a
Not
blue bag.
Takis, Takis.
Takis. Okay, we're gonna try the blue one next.
Everybody has their blue Taki.
3,
Taki.
2, 1.
This one tastes like Coke. Why does that taste like gross?
Tastes like lime.
A little hit of lime. But I don't know, for some reason I taste toast. Let's try one more. Is this Smurf flavor?
No.
Are we smurfing a Smurf? Are we smurfing a Smurf alive? Let's see those fingers. Iris?
I have 5.
Alright, you go ready to do the review on it? Alright, so Lily started before, so we'll start with Iris this time. I think Iris likes this one more.
It's also a bit spicy.
So which
It's
one?
spicier.
Iris' turn to do the review. What she thinks of the blue one.
Squirrel!
I think it's 3.
3 out of the spice. So this one is spicier than the red one? Yeah? Which one do you think tastes better, the blue one or the red one?
She said blue.
Yeah.
She said the blue.
Clearly it's blue for Iris. Alright, and Lily's turn.
A 4 out of 5 spiciness.
So you find this one is spicier than the red one? Very interesting.
And the one I like better is this one.
So both girls say the blue one tastes better.
Blue one's better and spicier.
Interesting. I think I like the red one better. I think it's spicier. And I think it has a better flavor than the red one. Oh, look at the girls. Look at the girls. Overloading on the heat.
You know what? This
I
is.
think this one is
Wait.
more like, it's less spicy, so it's less than a 1. So it's like eating a regular Doritos,
Wait.
it tastes like to me. So I give it a 0.5 on the heat, and I prefer the lime taste over the blue
More
one.
milk.
What?
More milk.
More milk.
I should have rated it a 4 or 5. Anyways, this is overload of spiciness. Yeah, it is an overload of spiciness. You ready to see, guys? That's overload of spiciness. That's it. That's overload of spiciness. Yeah, I know this is what you already have.
Let's wrap it up.
That's overload of spiciness. It overheats your tongue, and then your tongue just goes insane. Here, it touches water. You see the? You see it popping?
How are you tongue popping?
I don't know. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like and subscribe for another video. Wait, I want to do a one. And TAKIS